another awesome review by me. So after you watch this, please thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. It's a review channel. If you want me to review something, let me know. I'll go buy it and pop it on here. I picked this up from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you click on it, it will help you buy it. It will help me get a little benefit out of this. So what is this thing? It's sold by Monoprice. Monoprice, 15-foot USB 2.0. This is not the 3.0. If it was a 3, you'd have the white. I mean, you'd have the blue. This is white. So it's the 2.0 USB male A to female A extension. 28, 24. I don't know why they're saying 28 gauge and 24 gauge. Gold-plated gold-plated plate pinning, maybe. I don't know. All right, so let's check this out. Let's undo this. 15 feet. You can buy this from them in 1.5 feet, 3 feet, 6, 10, 15. Yeah, the 15 is really inexpensive, so why not just go out and... what the heck? Let me go check on something really quick. Yeah, this was $5 to not even $6. So why would you want to buy something like this? Why? These things are awesome. Let's face it, all of us that use USB, our cables aren't long enough. So if you have your computer and it's halfway across the room, and you have your mouse, cable's not long enough because they only come with like a 5-foot cable, go buy this thing. You plug the mouser into this thing, you plug this into the computer, you're done. You got a USB printer, you want to put it on a table across the room, buy the 15-footer. You can only go so far. I think you can go like maybe 100 feet with USB. The voltage starts to drop, but you should be okay in a room. You could even buy a couple of these, male, female, male, female, and you just get yourself an extension. You could use it on a mouse. You could use it on a keyboard. Why am I using this? I'm using this because I have a computer sitting against the wall, and I do a lot of YouTube videos, and when I plug in the camera, I don't want to get down on the floor with the 6-foot cable and plug the camera into the really short cable connected to the computer. I want to be able to have a long cable like this where I can keep this thing plugged in to the back of the computer where I get a higher speed USB port, and then I can just plug my camera in to here. I can plug the camera cable into this thing, and then I can plug the other end of the cable into the camera. So, made by Monoprice, 15 feet. Let's see, what does the 1.5 foot cost? Let me just check. 1.5 foot costs $3.99. The 15 foot costs $5.79. The cable uses 28 gauge conductors for the data lines and 24 gauge conductors for the power lines. That's good. You always want a big enough cable for power, so that's a good thing. They have a lifetime warranty. It's 2.0. It's not 3.0. Yeah, this is a really good product to buy. I like this. I will admit I've got some other brands and they're not like this. This has got a really nice molded connector over here, and it's got a little bit of strain relief over there.